Is your lesson about modal auxiliaries. Modal auxiliaries or modal verbs are used to show any kind of modality, such as some kind of request, permission, or you can say such kind of suggestion, possibility, ability, permission, suggestion. Such kind of things are discussed in this modal auxiliaries. This is your chapter about modal auxiliaries, and we will discuss in this lesson about this. So modal auxiliaries shows the modality when you are asking something, wanting some kind of permission, when you are suggesting something to someone, when you want when you want to show some kind of ability, some kind of, you can say, फॉर्मल परमिशन लेना चाहते हैं या कोई पॉसिबिलिटी को शो करना चाह रहे हैं, मॉडल ऑक्सिलरीज. ठीक है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट्स रिमेंबर यू हैव रेड मेन वर्ब एंड हेल्पिंग वर्ब कॉन्सेप्ट इन योर प्रीवियस लेसन. So main verbs are those verbs which are the action verbs, and the helping verbs are those verbs which combine with the main verbs to complete its meaning, to show the function, the complete function of the sentence. So in this exercise you will identify main verb and helping verb in each sentence, and you have to encircle the helping verb and underline the main verb. Encircle the helping verb and underline the main verb. So as you are very well, I know you are very much energetic about this because this is a new lesson, new chapter. So I hope you have, as you have already done about helping and main verbs, you can easily do this. I have done this for you. They can help you whenever needed. इसमें can जो है वो आपका helping verb है और help जो है वो main verb है. Same in the case you can do this exercise. Will is your helping verb, agree is your मेन वर्ब. जो भी एक्शन आपका सब्जेक्ट करेगा वो आपका मेन वर्ब होगा. जो एक्शन आपका सब्जेक्ट करता है उसी को आप मेन वर्ब कहते हैं. द चीफ कुड अराइव एनी मिनट. चीफ किसी भी मिनट पे आ सकता है. यू मस्ट कम टू स्कूल. आपको ज़रूर आना चाहिए. ऑन टाइम फॉर द असेंबली. असेंबली के लिए, ठीक है, वक्त पर आ जाना चाहिए. सो दिस इज़ द concept of helping verbs and the main verbs. So auxiliaries, what are the auxiliaries? Auxiliaries are the verb that combine with the main verbs to form tenses, voices and moods. As I have discussed already, the modality, the permission or the ability or the obligation or the prohibition or the future possibilities. ठीक है ना. So these kind of modal verbs are used to show the moods or to show the voices in the sentences. There are some of the primary auxiliaries that you have already discussed, जो आप करते रहते हैं, जो आप पढ़ते हैं. बी आप यूज़ करते हैं. बी इज़, एम, आर प्रेजेंट के लिए, वॉज, वर पास्ट के लिए, ठीक है ना. हैव, हैज़ पास्ट के लिए, डू, डज प्रेजेंट के लिए, डिड पास्ट के लिए. सो दीज आर द प्राइमरी ऑक्सिलरीज and these are the modal auxiliaries. They have different functions according to their demands.